Okay, so here's my waste oil burner. There's a little door down there, and I open that door when I'm gonna light the chamber. Now, I've already got the chamber going good. It takes a little while to get it going. Put some paper towels in there and a torch and fire it up. But I have two means of feeding it. So at the top of this tube here, I take this plug out and I can put a funnel in, and I dump a little oil so it goes directly down in there. So I'm starting off with some. And then in this tank, I put oil in it, and there's a needle valve here. And so I can, let's see here, I can control the drip with the needle valve and see how much I'm putting in. And then that feeds down into the tube and goes down through the center of the tube and drips into the burn chamber. And once it's going, you can see this thing's pretty hot. The tank is cherry around the edges, so it's throwing off quite a bit of heat right now.